Yo!
Marty, is that you?
Hey, Doc. Where are you?
Thank God I found you. Listen, can you meet me at Twin Tower Mall tonight at 1:15? I've made a major breakthrough and I'll need your assistance.
Wait a minute. 1:15 in the morning?
Yeah.
The Burger King will rule the fucking fast food world.
That's the power of love. Can you feel it?
Doc, your father was dangerous. He's a real nutcase. You hang around with him, you're going to end up in big trouble.
Oh, yes, sir.
Good evening. I'm Dr. Emmett Brown. I'm standing on the parking lot at Twin Tower Mall. It's Saturday morning, October 26, 1985, 1:18 a.m. And
Welcome to Jackass.
Jesus Christ, Doc, you disintegrated Einstein.
precisely.
Hello? Excuse me. Sorry about your...
Take that, you mutated son of a bitch!
Damn it, McFly, get a grip on yourself. Holy shit!
What?
You're George McFly.
No.
He's
Fucking whore.
Dad!
Later.
George, buddy, what are you writing? Stories.
Creepypastas.
Stories about,
Jeff the Killer.
coming down to Earth from other planets. Why do you keep following me around? Look, George, I'm telling you, George, if you do not ask Lorraine to that dance,
I'll end you!
but I can't go to the dance. I'll miss my favorite television program,
Creepypastas.
theater. Yeah, but George, Lorraine wants to go with you.
Fuck you!
Creepypastas.
Theater. Hey! Ted! Ted! Hey, Ted, where the hell's the corkscrew? What made you change your mind, George? Last night,
Jeff the Killer.
came down from planet Mobius and told me that if I didn't take Lorraine out, that he'd melt my penis. Let's just keep this penis stuff to ourselves, okay? Oh yeah. All right, okay. Lou, give me a milk. Chocolate.
me show you my plan for sending you home.
All right, this is an oldie, but
Fuck you!
I love little girls, they make me feel so good. I love little girls, they make me feel so bad. When they're around, they make me feel like I'm the only guy in town. I love little girls, they make me feel so good.
I guess you guys aren't ready for that yet. But your kids are gonna love it.
Osama bin Laden.
Doc! Doc! Hey! What the hell is this?
Dinner.
Marty! You've got to come.
Where?
Up your ass.
Wait a minute, what are you doing, Doc?
I need
Dinner.
Doc, we better back up. We don't have enough road to get up to 88.
Roads? Well, we're going, we don't need roads.